Hey guys, a video on the Chinese stocks again. I'm gonna add PDD this time as well. Haven't done a video on this one in a while, but yeah, we talked about this. Yeah, looking like it's gonna move down here. We had a point of control, I think, of this whole range here. And then we had this green line. I don't know why I added this green line. Maybe indicating this local low here. Regardless, very messy chart here. Larger time frame, to me, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 setup with a target box that's a very high target box. Okay, so don't really look at that one. Yep, it can go there easily, but we need growth in the revenue for that. That's one thing. And then locally we need to see strength. We have been ranging here for more than 2 years. Okay, past months we have been going down. This can also easily still visit this area here. Okay, I have this labeled as an A wave, a B wave. Measured this target box, then the 1-to-1 for wave C is at 73 together with the 0.32 from this low to this high at 78. Okay, now locally we have for now a green candle with a wick to the downside, and it's looking like we're gonna we already have higher volume than last week's red candle. Okay, so that's locally good in my opinion. You can also see that we were moving down here on lower volume with a lot of overlap, so it makes sense, I think, to at least get maybe a little bit of a bounce to the upside. And with this bounce we will try and analyze like how is the price acting here. Okay, does it look corrective, like it's gonna take the low again, or does it look strong? But that's too early now. We will wait for more data and I'll keep you updated when we have that. Okay, so I think this green line can stay here. It's the local low as well. Lose this, you will attack this 86 and then this low, and then we'll focus on $73. Okay, so stay above 95 and above the point of control at 100.08. That's the local task for this one. Okay, going into JD, really strong day. We have been talking about zones here where we could form a low. This is the weekly chart. We had the point of control here. We had this blue line is from, I'm sorry, I don't cover these very often, but I think it's from a gap. It's this one here locally. So ignore that. This one didn't give support. We added it after we had this launch. But basically from this range we were talking about the point of control, maybe then the value area low, the value area high. Ultimately we have bounced from within this range, not really the point of control. Maybe if I take it from here we could find an exact level, but nope, also this one isn't the one. Not gonna bother with it. We have talked about this potentially being a zone where we can try again from, and this attempt is looking really good. Okay, for the first time we have like a low candle. If I go again on the weekly, a low candle with higher volume compared to your previous last red candle. We've never had that. Okay, we had it once here, but it failed. Reaction wasn't so good, and that's it. Ever since we started going down here in 2024, this is now the second time that we have such a candle, and it's looking really good. We're gonna have this week's volume also again higher than last week's red volume. That's good. We're breaking above this point of control of this range at 29.04. That's good as well. So the weekly task for JD is indeed close above this and close above this 20 EMA on the weekly, this yellow line. Okay, zooming in, we talked about potentially this 1-2 setup. Okay, 1, 2, we reacted to the 0.382, and from there we have now launched good volume. I said maybe this can turn out to be an ABC, and then the point of control and this FIB area here is interesting. it didn't do that. Okay. What we have to do now locally is stay indeed above this point of control, and with that we can focus on higher. I'm going to clear the chart up a little bit, remove this fib box, and then I'm going to add a target box to the upside, because if this is indeed a 1-2 setup, whoa, is it that high? Because I can't see the box. Okay, now it's here. We want to reach this box here with wave 3, at least the 1.32 at 34.56. Okay, so that's the main target here. And then we want to do a wave 4 and a wave 5. And once we have these 5 waves complete, this will be an early statement that, look, the bulls are taking over control again. Okay, as long as we don't do that, this can turn into a 3-wave move, and then we go down even more, a 3-wave move being an ABC. Okay, for a C wave, your target is the 1-to-1, is one of the targets, usually the stronger one. So 32.30 is another level that you can watch. If price goes and rejects here, then we know that, okay, it's showing weakness, this might go and take the low. And then with that, we'll also take this low probably at $20. Okay. So for now, focus is on higher, providing that we can hold this point of control. Alibaba, I'm looking for a bounce here as well. Like I said in previous video, yeah, trying locally this point of control of this range. I know it's a very old range here, but still I like to have it because we saw the level being respected here. Get above it, and then get above this range here as well is the task locally. Okay, so the point of control at 132.40, and then I can add another point of control of this range at 137.91. Okay, and then once we have more price action, I can try to identify what it is and try to add boxes, but for now it's too little price action. Okay, compared to JD. In JD we have a clear move up, move down into fibs, and then that's why I added the target box now. And then Baidu, we talked about this looking like a 5-wave move on lower volume, looking for a bounce with bullish divergence, and we're getting it. It's a start, it's nothing major yet, but we want to here similarly get above this point of control, and then we have a similar range here compared to Alibaba, get above that as well and push here inside this wave B. Or if you're really bullish, make a 5-wave move up, and that would be a statement from the bulls. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.